Alright, so the calibration key just came in. It looks about the same as the one in the picture previously. There's the product number if you want it. That'll really speed things up if you need it. Normally this is going to be their different serial standard, and so there must be a pin that can give power for errors. Since it has a light, because serial ports don't really have enough power for a light from what I understand. It's not a standard one. I may at some point try to capture what this is. This one seems to be a slightly different version actually, because it's sort of molded in. And at some point I may try to capture the serial output, see if people can make their copies of this, but it's free. So, and it came in just sort of a padded, paper-filled, oops, that recycled paper shit that gets everywhere. And this envelope which ran over or something. I mean, Jesus. But it seems to be intact, so I'm going to give it a try. The steps are basically just to take out the management card, make sure there's no serial ports or anything. That's good. Where did that turn off? Make sure there are no serial ports connected, and then basically just plug this in. And if it beeps and the lights in the front flash, it's good to go. So I'm going to take out the management card and shut that down first. Okay, so please forgive this horrible setup, just because I got to crouch under my server. Management card is out. So I'll switch this back on. Let's do this thing. So we plug it in, so I'll be able to see that. Okay, so I didn't see, I'm not even sure if that would work, but the error light isn't on. So, I'm not sure I'm going to review the footage, so I've got that all hooked back up. So, we'll just go around, put this back on. You can see how scraped this thing gets from just the nature of where it is. And just make sure that everything starts up properly. And this little key is just going to be tucked in here next to my other APC accessory that I made myself. Because screw $30 for a cable. I mean, I don't usually for you. Be yourself. Just have a running that's not too. I'm going to just wrong myself. And I'm just with it. Now that something goes lit up. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go check the interface once that switch is ready. Alright, so we're back at the computer. We're basically just set to back here, and I mean, I don't think there's anything else that needs to be done. Red LED on the, yep. And I looked at the footage and it looked like it did work, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, I had logged in before. Online, no alarms present. Let's see. Self-test results passed. That's not new. Battery capacity is at 100%. Where's the runtime? Calibration result, calibration date. It doesn't know. Where was the runtime? Oh, geez, right there. 24 minutes, apparently. Hang on. 120 is the PDU, right? 4.3 amp load. Okay, so it normally goes up to a couple more amps, around 6 amps. Oh, that stuff is still there. Interesting. Yeah, it seems to be this sort of PD lab, f5.com website, or whatever company that this came from. But yeah, 24 minutes. So let's hang on. Control. Start runtime calibration. I hope that doesn't shut down my servers. Although I don't think they would have been up that quickly yet. I'll just give this a couple minutes. Although it still says 100%, didn't drop right back down to 0. How much load do I have still? There we back up to a decent amount. Okay, let's just go home. 4.2 amps. Now, okay, so it's going to be a little less than that, but yeah, so it looks like it'll drop it down a fair bit, but yeah, it looks like that calibration key worked. So, very good. So yeah, you just contact APC, get one of those calibration keys, follow the instructions, which are very easy. You can find links to all that stuff in the first video, and you're all set to go. And so yeah, it looks like I'll probably get like sort of 18 or so minutes like I calculated when I'm at full load. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions for some reason, don't hesitate to shout out about them.